the way I like it.
Mama!
What?
Mama!
I'm not your mama. You want something with feathers who says caca and...
Mama!
No.
Mama!
No.
Mama!
No. Ah!
Mama!
You don't give up, do you? What's your name, little guy?
Mama!
OK, I'll call you Wilson. Hello, Wilson. I'm Diesel. Now we're buddies. Next up, Brendan Dots to find your...
Mama!
I'm not your mama. More like a big brother.
Mama!
Wilson, you have to be more careful.
Mama!
Haha. No, more like a super strong uncle. Don't worry, Wilson. We'll find your mama here.
Mama!
Hey, Diesel. Looks like you picked up a passenger.
I'm trying to find his mama.
Mama!
Well, I'm glad he found his mama. They grow up so quickly.
It's hard to see them leave the nest. You did a good thing. Helped him find his mama.
Yeah, I guess so. I better go pick up my delivery.
Mama!
Now, she shouldn't be down here. She should be up at the duck pond.
OK, Ducky. I'll take you home.
A mama's work is never done. Yeah, you're a cutie.